Okay guys, here's a weather video from my weather channel. Look at the rain out there. It's throwing it down out there. I'm shutting my window before it comes in. Look at it out there guys. You can't see it on camera as much as you can in real life, but it is throwing it down. My goodness, look at it. I'm at my nan's house by the way, just to find look at the rain. I don't know whether it's wind I can hear or whether it's thunder. I heard some thunder yesterday. I think it's wind this time. I didn't see any lightning yesterday, but I heard some thunder. I forgot to put it on camera. Sorry about that. If I hear any thunder today, I'll put it on camera as well. Or if I see any lightning or anything. But my goodness, guys. Let's watch it for a little bit and see if it calms down or anything. It just came out of nowhere. It was sunny a second ago and that's just thrown it down with rain. It's it's quite windy as well. Man, that's insane rain. I don't know whether this is a storm we're getting or whether it's just some rain. I know we had a thunderstorm yesterday, but I forgot to show you that, and again I'm sorry about that. It's slowing down a little bit, but it's still throwing it down. It doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon, judging by these clouds. The clouds look more white on camera, but in real life they're more grey. They're like literally black clouds a second ago, more either darkish grey / black. And at first when I saw them I thought they were thunder clouds, but it turns out at the moment they're just rain clouds. Oh, I got a heart on my comment from the Epic Fan and String Light Collector 2020. Thank you, bro. I'll check that out in a second after I've finished with this video. I'm back up on my first channel, which is Kieran's Fan Collection of 2020. I'm back up to 95 subscribers now because the other day I lost a subscriber. I went down to 94, but I'm back up to 95 again. Stopped, so I'm going to put an end to this video here now guys, because the rain has stopped now and the sun looks like it's slowly trying to come back up, but it could rain again at any second. If it rains again I'll probably make a part 2 of this very heavy rain that we got. Yeah, that's going to be it for this video though. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye for now. Oh.